And then the next item is a big old box. 1 second. Okay, so it's very bouncy. So I'm not sure. I'm not even a Prime member. But, oops. Yeah. So, anyways, I am excited to see what's in here. I think I know what's in there. Okay, so back to my lip gloss. I am again don't know when I will be launching, so if you guys are interested in seeing the colors, don't forget to check me out on Instagram so you guys can actually see it. All my if I actually don't show you guys or tell you guys anything in here, definitely check out my Instagram page. I started another business a long time ago. That would be probably in another video, but I never started due to oops, due to I think I was also super busy, so I let that one go. So I'm not even sure if this is called rebranding, but I decided not to do that because I just thought that maybe it wasn't the right time. But anyways, okay, so all of that. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a few items in here. Okay, all right, let me show you guys again. Alright, so I have to squeeze in. Okay. So this one is 20 piece 10 milliliter lip travel DIY makeup. So it looks like that. It's so nice today. It has a syringe, and again it's 20 milligrams. It's really small. I'll try them all. And these are the long tubes. There's actually 2 syringes. I will definitely disinfect these and I'll wash these. So I'm going to try these 20 out, 20 pieces, and these 2 syringes. So these are all, and then they have stoppers and all these wand tubes. And let's see. So they look like that. And let's see. They don't have the wand tubes. I mean the stoppers in there, but right there. It's so bright. Okay. And again, I will definitely disinfect these. Wash down everything down. I don't believe in the warehouse because of all these dust particles. Okay, so the next item is I got these pink bubble millers. My business is the color of gold, white, black, and pink. But then sometimes I'm using rose gold. I believe it is pink. So there is 25. So this is a pack of 25. I need to get bigger sizes, especially a little smaller than this and bigger than this, because I definitely have like other items, other ideas, not items, in mind. So I need more sizes. Okay, so the next item is this syringe, 10-pack plastic syringe applicator. And it looks like that. It's so nice right now. Oops, oh my god. So these are, I don't know what size are these. Again, 10 pack, yeah, 20 milligram. Okay. So these are 20 milligram. I like these. These are really nice. maybe it's nice if I have a couple sizes on hand. So they're 20 milligram. Alright. So yeah, so syringes, mini syringes. To actually put all the lip gloss inside the lip ones, or I mean the yes, the lip ones and the squeeze tubes. And then there's actually probably 10 pack and the stoppers in here. Right there. So if you guys want to go ahead and see it, I will definitely open one up. It feels really light. And I like it that they actually pack it. Oh, I thought they actually pack it. I thought they actually pack it one by one. Never mind. I was wrong. So, oh my gosh. The stoppers are on the bottom, and then the lip gloss is probably, or the lip balm tubes. Whoa. I guess. Oh, okay. I actually put it so different. It looks like that. So, right, like, it's really light. It's not even heavy. Okay. And then that's how the one looks like. It's rose gold. The other one's gold, which is really pretty. This is so exciting. So I don't know when I will be launching. I don't know when I will actually get all these finished. I know that there's a million out there, but this is actually for me. And I am super excited to actually do a lot of these handmade stuff because I enjoy it. I like it. Let's see. And then the next one is, these are the squeeze tubes. So these are 50 piece 10 milligram empty lip gloss. So they look like that. I will show you one of them. Again, if you guys want more of these, I will definitely give you all the infos in the description down below. So those are the stoppers. These are the caps. Oh yeah, they're nice. Yeah, they're the caps. So these are the squeeze tubes. What size are they? They are, yeah, again, 10 milligram. Oops. They're very slippery. Again, I would sanitize these and clean these once I get situated. And then I believe I have one item left. So, like I said again, I don't know if I'm actually going to record the other ones in this video. It might be a separate video because I like short videos. And then, oh, these are so small. Made in China. So these are all the glitters for the lip gloss. The sun's going down. So yeah, so this is how pretty they are. So if you guys want in depth more about it, I will definitely show you guys one by one. But oh my gosh, so there's red, green, blue, they're all butterflies. Gold and light gold, silver, black, purple, and then magenta, maybe rose gold, pink, and silver. Again, that is pretty. And then the last one, so these are glitter Juanita. Oh, see, these are the glitters. So the glitters. And then let's see, 12 colors, Art Snail Face Body. So these are all the glitters, and they're safe to use on lips and stuff and all that stuff. Oh, so I'll show you the colors in the back so I don't have to open it because you're gonna have to see me struggle. Okay, so yeah. So this is the last item. I guess, and then that's the brand name. So yeah, so I believe that is it for my my haul and my unboxing videos. If you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions regarding lip gloss, I just started, so I'm still new to the game. Although I love making handmaids, and I've always made handmade items ever since. I think it's been a while. I don't remember when, but I do enjoy making some of these. I don't know a lot, but I do know a little bit. So, like I said again, I'm just new and I don't know much about it. So and then so if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I will actually show most of my products probably in Instagram, because it's probably easier sometimes than recording. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share and comment if you guys have any questions about business and business related questions. I'm definitely will be able to answer if I know the answer, and I'll get to each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you again in my next video regarding lip gloss series. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.